What's up, y'all? Welcome to another video of a vlog. I'm at the gas station right now just to record Howl-o-Scream. But my good buddy here, KK. How you doing, man?
Yo, what up, man?
Let's say hi to the YouTubers out there.
What's going on, y'all?
Oh yeah, we're going to Howl-o-Scream for Busch Gardens, and yeah, he's a chill dude, so he's gonna be tagging along with us.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut to the Busch Garden area. So, all right, let's head. What's up, y'all? I'm at Howl-o-Scream for the Busch Gardens here, and so we're gonna go all the scare zones right here, and we're gonna check out. Maybe it's raining on here, but at least we'll probably get some rides done or something like that. And okay, so we're gonna buy some little rain jackets, and let's see the store around here. All right. Okay, so this is my first year Howl-o-Scream, so we're gonna make this worth it. Let's go. So we got our fast passes and our raincoats, and we're gonna get ready to get scared down.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, we're getting some scary pictures up here already. And let's see the scary.
Help me.
Don't mind her. Okay, so we're just gonna do the scary zones, and we're gonna see scary zones that's gonna be open. So let's head in there. So we're gonna head to Deadwater Bayou, the moon blood moon, the final phrase. Let's head in. Okay, I can't record the haunted houses, so let's just cut to this. Oh god. Oh god. I see you there. I see you there. Okay, guys, so yeah, this is just left the blood moon, and we're gonna head to this side right here. So let's head in. Yep, there's scare zones right there, so let's head in. Haunted houses. Stream, Cluewood, Easton. Alright, let's head to this one. Yep, the theme looks nice, so let's not head in. Oh my god, this is scary, right? Scary. Oh, whoa, okay. We got the house already. It was a good, hold on, a lot of puddles out here. It was a good house. Like I was hoping the house would end when you think it ends, but it turns out it doesn't end when you think it ends. So yeah, we're gonna head to the next scary zone. On the view, yeah, we're getting a lot of scary zones here. Let's head in. Hi. Oh god. Alright, yeah, it's kind of scary. Hold on, let me clear that camera. Hi. Oh, hey, you're terrifying. Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, okay. Oh, God, yeah, you're terrifying. Yeah, it's also scary zone right here. Hi. Oh, okay. Yeah. That was terrifying. Hell's us. Oh god, this is sub. Alright, so we're in the area here. Oh, I'm sorry, my camera's in bad focus right now.
Wait, put the camera on me.
Alright, what's up?
So...
Alright, what's up? What's going on here? Don't go towards me, man. Don't go towards me. God hails us. Oh, God hails us here. Oh, a smoke machine coming on. God hails us. Oh, God.
Balance is upon you.
Yes,
Yay. Down.
God, there is one roller coaster open for the night, and that's Kumba. Oh, yeah, it's my favorite roller coaster here. So, yeah, let's head in, and I'm not going to record the rides. Gotta put my phone in the locker, so I'll ask Ben if I can borrow his footage. So, yeah. nighttime for the first time. Yeah, theme park group, we got one in nighttime, so I'm gonna ask him for some footage for the video. And yeah, hopefully more rides will be open, like Sheikah or Montu. So let's head to the next scare zone and see what's up next. We're gonna do some lumber car, and we're gonna ride with some clowns. What a bunch of clowns out here. Let's go on. Today, are we? Okay. Oh, hi. Okay, we're done playing with bumper car with a bunch of clowns. So next we're gonna ride is Sheikah. Edit the thunder there, okay? So yeah, we're gonna head inside. It's gonna be me and my aunt. So let's head in. I put my phone in the locker, so we're all good. And I'll see you at our third house. Forgotten. It's called the Forgotten, I think. Yeah, so let's see what's in here. Alright. Maybe there's might some scary things right here? Let's see. I'm actually the camera just to make me think I'm walking. Hi James, how you guys? Wait, you're not Leatherface. Yeah, I only doesn't like the name Leatherface. Scarecrows right here, scary. I see y'all there, creepy peepers. I see you there. I see you there. Oh wow. Why are they waiting for them to come by? Alright man. Long night, huh? Okay, they're touching my backpack for some reason. Alright. Oh sh! Okay, yeah, you got that time. I'll do 10. My aunt's phone because good quality here, so because my phone's out of storage. So let's go to more. Okay, we're at Sesame Streets. This place is my childhood when I was a kid. And look, they're taking over these wicked demon things. Hi. Okay. Ouch. Okay. I'll get that. I see that. Oh, okay. Hey, he said shh, okay? Okay, yeah. Okay, we're out of here now. Okay, this is too scary, this is too scary. Ah! Okay. Don't, okay, don't like scary. Oh, okay, no. It's Howl-o-Scream. I think we're coming across the exit right now. Oh, like the little kid area here, like called Busch Spectacular. That's not cover 10. If you want to see, if your kids are too young to come to this place, which they are, just see them there. Okay, maybe my brother Iron Guanzi for a little bit. Let's see if it's open. So back from another haunted house from on our way out of the Iron Guanzi, and this guy's almost. And yeah, we're actually leaving Howl-o-Scream now. Alright. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna exit. I'm gonna record my last before I leave Busch Gardens in the car, and we're gonna see you our next way.